Now I'm going to show you a game that I played on the internet, and it's not a good game because this is a blitz game, but it shows quite well what my strategy is. So I played f4 and g3. Then came bishop g4 and bishop to g2, c6, castling, and black is playing the same idea here. He wants to play bishop takes f3 followed by e5. I think white gets a quite good game here by playing d3. In this game I played d4, and it's not especially good here. So now we have a Stonewall, and after take and knight e5, bishop f5, then white starts to win some space on the king side. Sorry, the bishop went back to c8, and then c4. Now came e6. He of course had also the opportunity to play f6, attacking the knight. Then after c takes d5 and f takes e5, the bishop can take back on e4. And for an example, after those moves here, then the position, I believe, is quite complicated and difficult to judge. But let's go back to the game, and remember this is a blitz game, so it's not without mistakes. I just want to show you the idea and what I was playing for. So queen c2, the knight went back to d6, then came b3, bishop e7 and c5, and already here white has won space, as you can see, on both wings, just like Alekhine. Knight went to b5 and bishop to b2, castling, h3, the knight has to move back, and then a4, and when the knight goes back to c7, then white played rook a1 to e1 with the idea of e4. After f5 we have this doubled Stonewall, and after g5 from white's sides we have exactly the same position nearly as Alekhine had against Kmoch. Then came b6 and b4, and again my internet opponent, he did exactly the same mistake as Kmoch. He opened too early, as you maybe remember. And then after rook b8, rook b1, bishop c8, the normal move would be bishop c3, but then I just played knight e5, and this is a blitz, so my opponent, he made a blunder. He played bishop a6, and this is just what happened in blitz. It shouldn't be taken too seriously. So this is not a good game. I just showed it so that you can see how you can use the ideas or the knowledge that you get by studying Grandmaster games, then you can use it in your own games. Thank you.